What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Google Home Mini and give you some of my first impressions. Let's keep it moving. Alright, if you want to buy the Google Home Mini, you can buy it from a bunch of different places, including Google's website, Walmart, and Best Buy, which is where I got mine. Best Buy Mobile to be exact, and it costs $50. But if you go to Google's official store right now, or Walmart, it'll cost you $39, which is a super great deal for what you get. So basically it's a smart speaker that has Google Assistant built in, and it can be used to control smart home accessories, play music, answer questions, and do many other tasks. Let's unbox the Google Home Mini. Alright, let's go. So here it is, Google Home Mini, and on the box, a bunch of stuff. Just start with OK Google, which is the keyword for triggering the Google Home. Know it all, tap into the power of Google to get real-time answers to your questions. Tackle your day, set alarms, find out about your commute, get the news and more, make hands-free calls, enjoy your entertainment, use your voice to play your music or start a TV show, voice control your home, control compatible smart home products like your lights, thermostats, and more. Yeah, so let's open this up. So to open it up, peel the strip off the bottom here, which I already did because I got this for Christmas and I couldn't wait to start using it. Just open up the top, and you're greeted with the Google Home Mini itself. So I have the charcoal one here. Looks pretty good. It's like a dark gray with a red rubber bottom. And you got micro USB for charging, and the mute switch for if you don't want it to be always listening. And then in the box you get some get started guides, which you may or may not want to read. The Google Home app helps you set this up super easily, and then you also get a really nice power brick with the Google logo on it and micro USB to power this up. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, so before we get started, I'm going to strongly encourage that you turn off the Hey Google voice activation feature if you're using an Android phone, because if you leave it on, it may get accidentally activated when I'm talking to the Google Home Mini. Because Hey Google and OK Google are the Google Home Mini activation words. Yeah, let's test out the Google Home Mini. Hey Google, what time is it?
12:20.
Hey Google, is it cold outside?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet.
Let me rephrase that. Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
The temperature in Guelph right now is minus 11 degrees Celsius.
Hey Google, who is MKBHD?
According to Wikipedia, Marcus K. Brownlee, also known by his YouTube username MKBHD, is an American YouTuber best known for his technology-focused videos.
Hey Google. Hey Google, what is 50 plus 50?
The answer is 100.
Yep, so it can do calculations for you and answer questions about famous people, and then it can also set reminders. Hey Google, remind me to edit this video at 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Your reminder edit this video for tomorrow at 3 p.m. is ready. Do you want to save it?
Yes.
Alright, reminder saved. To get these reminders on an iPhone, download the Google Assistant app.
Hey Google, what upcoming events do I have?
Okay, Jordan. Your next meeting is called Zoe's birthday and is on Tuesday at midnight. It's taking place in our house.
Hey Google, how do you say subscribe to my YouTube channel in French?
Abonnez-vous à ma chaîne YouTube.
So I can translate stuff into other languages, which is pretty cool. Hey Google, is it going to be warm in Washington, D.C. tomorrow?
No, it won't be hot in Washington tomorrow. Expect a high of 2 and a low of minus 7.
Pretty cold. So if you're in Washington, bundle up. Go outside. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. What's Forrest Gump's password?
What?
1, Forrest 1.
Yeah, so it does cheesy jokes like that. And yeah, as you can see, the Google Home Mini can do a ton of stuff, and it's constantly learning new skills, which is really great. And then next, we're going to take a look at the Google Home app. Alright, so here's the Google Home app. So it shows your recent activity. So earlier on I searched for who is MKBHD, and then you can visit that website. And then it'll tell you about updates made to the Google Home, and it's showing you that you can turn the mic off using the switch on the back, and then it'll show you stuff that Google Assistant and Google Home can do. So find answers, and Chromecast audio if you have a Chromecast compatible TV, or you bought a Chromecast that you've set up through this app. And then you can set sleep timers, control your home, as I said earlier. And if you buy a Google Home right now, you can subscribe to Google Play Music for 1 month for free, which is kind of cool if you use Google Play Music. I don't. I'm not a huge fan of it. I use Spotify. Yeah, and then so if you go over, cast screen audio, things to ask, music, whole bunch of settings, and then it'll show all your devices. So that's my Google Home. I'm planning to get a couple more of them because I really like them. Account preferences, offers, Google Store. Yeah, it's a really nicely laid out app. Looks really good. Let's keep it moving. All right, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Yeah. I'll be back more soon. Peace.